What if one simple daily habit could dramatically reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes after age 50? Millions of Americans unknowingly develop insulin resistance due to inactivity, poor eating habits, and excess body weight. The good news is that the right exercises can improve blood sugar control and help protect your future. Number 1. Brisk walking. Brisk walking is one of the most effective and beginner-friendly exercises for preventing type 2 diabetes. Unlike a slow stroll, brisk walking raises your heart rate, encourages your muscles to use glucose more efficiently, and improves insulin sensitivity. When your muscles actively use glucose during movement, your blood sugar levels stay healthier, reducing stress on your pancreas. This simple exercise also supports healthy weight management, which is one of the most important factors in preventing insulin resistance. Walking outdoors provides additional mental health benefits by reducing stress hormones that can negatively affect blood sugar regulation. For adults over 50, walking places minimal stress on the joints while strengthening the heart, lungs, and leg muscles. Experts recommend aiming for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking on most days of the week. You can split this into 3 10-minute sessions if that fits your schedule better. Wearing supportive walking shoes and maintaining good posture will improve comfort and reduce injury risk. Swing your arms naturally, keep your shoulders relaxed, and maintain a pace that allows conversation but feels moderately challenging. Over time, consistent brisk walking increases stamina, burns calories, improves circulation, and helps your body respond better to insulin, making it one of the smartest long-term investments for preventing type 2 diabetes naturally. Number 2. Strength training. Strength training is one of the most powerful tools for lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes because healthy muscles act like natural glucose storage tanks. The more lean muscle you maintain, the better your body can remove sugar from the bloodstream and use it for energy instead of allowing it to build up. This improves insulin sensitivity and helps stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. You do not need heavy gym equipment to enjoy these benefits. Resistance bands, light dumbbells, or simple bodyweight exercises like squats, wall push-ups, and chair stands can produce excellent results. Adults over 50 should perform strength training at least 2 or 3 times each week, allowing muscles to recover between sessions. Begin with lighter resistance and focus on proper form instead of lifting heavy weights. Gradually increasing resistance builds stronger muscles, healthier bones, and better balance while reducing the risk of falls. Strength training also increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories even while resting. This makes maintaining a healthy weight easier, which further decreases insulin resistance. Combined with a balanced diet rich in fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats, regular resistance exercise becomes a highly effective strategy for preventing type 2 diabetes, preserving independence, and supporting healthy aging for many years ahead. Number 3. Cycling. Cycling is an excellent low-impact exercise that helps lower the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and supporting healthy blood sugar control. Whether you ride a traditional bicycle outdoors or use a stationary bike at home or in a fitness center, cycling activates large muscle groups in your legs, allowing your body to use glucose more efficiently for energy. This regular movement reduces insulin resistance while strengthening the heart and improving overall cardiovascular health. For adults over 50, cycling is especially beneficial because it places less stress on the knees and hips than many high-impact activities. Start with 20 to 30 minutes at a comfortable pace 3 to 5 days each week, gradually increasing duration and intensity as your endurance improves. Always adjust your bicycle properly to maintain good posture and prevent unnecessary strain on your back, neck, and knees. Wearing a helmet outdoors and staying hydrated are essential safety habits. Cycling also burns calories, supports healthy weight management, improves circulation, and boosts mood by releasing feel-good hormones that reduce stress. Since chronic stress can negatively affect blood sugar levels, this emotional benefit is especially valuable. When combined with nutritious eating habits and consistent physical activity, cycling becomes a practical, enjoyable, and highly effective long-term strategy for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes while promoting healthier aging and greater independence. Number 4. Swimming. Swimming is one of the safest and most effective full-body exercises for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, especially for older adults with joint pain or arthritis. Water supports your body weight, reducing pressure on the knees, hips, and spine while allowing nearly every major muscle group to work together. As your muscles move through the water, they use glucose for energy, helping lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity over time. Swimming also strengthens the heart, increases lung capacity, and improves circulation, all of which contribute to better metabolic health. Beginners should start with 15 to 20 minutes of easy swimming or water walking, gradually building up to 30 or 40 minutes several times each week. Focus on smooth, controlled movements instead of speed and take breaks whenever needed. Staying hydrated is important, even though you may not feel sweaty in the water. Swimming also reduces stress and promotes better sleep, both of which play important roles in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Regular swimming helps burn calories, improve flexibility, strengthen muscles, and support healthy weight management. Combined with balanced nutrition and regular medical checkups, this enjoyable low-impact activity provides a powerful and sustainable way to prevent type 2 diabetes while improving overall physical fitness, confidence, and quality of life for years ahead. Number 5. Chair squats. Chair squats are a simple yet highly effective exercise for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, especially for adults over 50 who want to build strength safely at home. This movement strengthens the large muscles in your legs and hips, which play an important role in absorbing glucose from the bloodstream. As these muscles become stronger, your body uses insulin more efficiently, helping to maintain healthier blood sugar levels. To perform a chair squat, stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself until you lightly touch the chair, then stand back up without using your hands whenever possible. Keep your chest lifted, your back straight, and your knees aligned with your toes throughout the movement. Begin with 8 to 10 repetitions and gradually increase to 2 or 3 sets as your strength improves. Chair squats also improve balance, coordination, and mobility, reducing the risk of falls while making everyday activities easier. This exercise burns calories, supports healthy weight management, and encourages better circulation throughout the body. Combined with regular walking, nutritious meals, and adequate sleep, chair squats become an easy and powerful habit for preventing insulin resistance. Performing this exercise consistently several times each week can significantly improve metabolic health, physical independence, and long-term quality of life. Number 6. Step-ups. Step-ups are an excellent exercise for improving blood sugar control and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes because they strengthen the legs while increasing your heart rate. This combination of resistance and cardiovascular activity helps your muscles use glucose more effectively, reducing insulin resistance over time. All you need is a sturdy, low step or staircase. Begin by stepping up with one foot, bringing the other foot to meet it, then step back down in a controlled manner. Alternate the leading foot with each repetition to ensure balanced muscle development. Adults over 50 should start with a low platform and perform 8 to 12 repetitions per leg, gradually increasing as strength and confidence improve. Hold onto a handrail or stable surface if additional balance support is needed. Step-ups strengthen the thighs, calves, hips, and core muscles while improving coordination and stability. They also increase calorie burning, support healthy weight loss, and improve cardiovascular endurance. Maintaining a steady breathing pattern and controlled movements helps maximize safety and effectiveness. Performing this exercise 3 or 4 times each week, along with a balanced diet rich in vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats, creates a strong defense against type 2 diabetes. Consistent step-up training promotes better insulin sensitivity, healthier aging, increased independence, and greater confidence in performing everyday activities with ease. Number 7. Resistance band exercises. Resistance band exercises are an excellent way to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes because they strengthen muscles without placing excessive stress on the joints. As muscle mass increases, your body becomes more efficient at using glucose for energy, improving insulin sensitivity and helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Resistance bands are lightweight, affordable, and easy to use at home, making them ideal for adults over 50. Exercises such as bicep curls, seated rows, shoulder presses, chest presses, and side leg lifts target multiple muscle groups while improving strength, balance, and flexibility. Begin with a light resistance band and perform 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise, completing 2 or 3 sets with controlled movements. Focus on proper posture, steady breathing, and slow, deliberate motions instead of rushing through each repetition. Regular resistance band training also strengthens bones, supports joint stability, and reduces the risk of injuries during everyday activities. In addition, it increases your resting metabolism, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. Combined with regular walking, healthy eating habits, and quality sleep, resistance band workouts become a powerful strategy for preventing insulin resistance. Performing these exercises at least 2 or 3 times each week can improve overall fitness, enhance mobility, promote healthy weight management, and support long-term metabolic health, allowing you to enjoy a more active, independent, and healthier lifestyle for years. Number 8. Yoga. Yoga is a gentle yet highly effective exercise for lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving flexibility, reducing stress, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can contribute to higher blood sugar and increased insulin resistance. Practicing yoga regularly helps calm the nervous system, encouraging healthier hormone balance and better glucose regulation. Adults over 50 can safely begin with beginner-friendly poses such as mountain pose, cat-cow stretch, child's pose, warrior eye, and bridge pose. These movements strengthen muscles, improve balance, increase joint mobility, and encourage better posture without placing excessive strain on the body. Deep breathing techniques practiced during yoga also improve oxygen delivery, support heart health, and promote relaxation. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of yoga 3 to 5 days each week, focusing on smooth breathing and controlled movements rather than perfection. Using a yoga mat, chair, or yoga blocks can provide additional support for beginners. Regular yoga practice also improves sleep quality, reduces anxiety, and encourages mindfulness, making it easier to maintain healthy eating habits and consistent exercise routines. Combined with a balanced diet rich in whole grains, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, yoga becomes a valuable long-term habit for preventing type 2 diabetes. Over time, it improves physical strength, emotional well-being, mobility, and overall quality of life while supporting healthy aging naturally. Number 9. Dancing. Dancing is a fun and highly effective way to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes while improving both physical and mental health. Unlike traditional workouts, dancing feels enjoyable, making it easier to stay consistent over the long term. Whether you enjoy country music, line dancing, ballroom, Latin styles, or simply dancing to your favorite songs at home, every movement helps your muscles use glucose more efficiently. This improves insulin sensitivity and supports healthier blood sugar levels. Dancing also raises your heart rate, burns calories, and contributes to healthy weight management, an important factor in preventing insulin resistance. Adults over 50 can begin with 20 to 30 minutes of moderate dancing 3 or 4 times each week, choosing movements that feel comfortable and safe. Wear supportive shoes, stay hydrated, and keep enough space around you to avoid falls. Dancing strengthens the legs, core, and hips while improving balance, coordination, and flexibility. It also stimulates the brain by requiring memory, rhythm, and quick decision-making, supporting cognitive health as you age. Most importantly, dancing reduces stress and boosts mood by releasing endorphins, which can positively influence blood sugar regulation. Combined with nutritious eating habits, quality sleep, and regular medical checkups, dancing provides a joyful, sustainable, and effective way to prevent type 2 diabetes while enhancing energy, confidence, independence, and overall well-being every single day. Number 10. Interval walking. Interval walking is one of the most effective exercises for preventing type 2 diabetes because it combines periods of faster walking with slower recovery walking. This changing pace challenges your muscles and cardiovascular system, encouraging your body to use glucose more efficiently and improving insulin sensitivity. Adults over 50 can begin by walking at a comfortable pace for 3 minutes, then increasing to a brisk pace for 1 minute before returning to a slower speed. Repeat this cycle for 20 to 30 minutes depending on your fitness level. Always start with a gentle warm-up and finish with a cool-down to reduce the risk of injury. Interval walking burns more calories than steady-paced walking, supports healthy weight management, and strengthens the heart without requiring expensive equipment or gym memberships. It also improves endurance, circulation, and overall energy levels, making everyday activities easier. Wear supportive walking shoes, maintain good posture, and choose safe, even walking surfaces whenever possible. If you experience dizziness, chest pain, or unusual shortness of breath, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. When combined with a balanced diet, regular strength training, adequate hydration, and consistent sleep, interval walking becomes a powerful long-term strategy for preventing type 2 diabetes. Making this simple exercise part of your weekly routine can significantly improve metabolic health, physical fitness, independence, and overall quality of life.